Very warm welcome to everyone watching this Siberian Health TV video. My name is Yuri Gichev and I'm the Scientific Director of Siberian Health International. In this video series, I'm going to start talking about our very special product line, a collection of exclusive proprietary herbal tea blends produced from the rarest Siberian herbs gathered on the shores of Lake Baikal and its biggest island, Olkhon. Located right in the heart of the deep crystal blue waters of Lake Baikal, this mysterious and legendary island of Olkhon is really one of a kind. The legends of local people called Burats refer to Olkhon as the spiritual center of the sacred lake, and there are several reasons why this is the case. First of all, it's a stunningly beautiful area. It could arguably be one of the most beautiful places in the world. When you come there for the first time, you usually have the impression that it's something unearthly and absolutely unique, and it can be quite overwhelming when you approach Olkhon from the Olkhon Gates Straits. The island is particularly spectacular at dusk, when numerous time-polished gray spurs of the Olkhon hills are rising over the purple waters of the lake, lit by the setting sun, with a light mist from the lake floating on the surface of the deep, fantastically shaped fjords. Secondly, Olkhon has always been considered a sacred place by all the people that have ever lived there. It is on this rather small stretch of land, a little over 45 miles long and 10 miles wide, that all the most sacred places of the vast land of Buryatia are concentrated. There is the holy Mount of Izumay, the holy Cape of Burhan, and the famous Shaman Cave. Moreover, according to the legend, Olkhon is the birthplace of the Buryat people. Thirdly, the island of Olkhon is recognized as an ancient center of holistic medicine. Throughout all history, people all over the vast Siberian lands have sought legendary remedies from their illnesses from Olkhon shamans. And ancient healers believed that the herbs of Olkhon carried a unique and miraculous force inside of them. They believed that it was in Olkhon that the powerful energy of the earth ascending from the heart of our planet through the deep waters of Baikal merged with the life energy of the sun. Fourthly, Olkhon is a unique place due to its geography and climate. On a small area of less than 300 square miles, one can find an amazing diversity of deserts, steppes, relic forests, alpine meadows, white sandy beaches, freshwater and saltwater lakes. Olkhon is also known to be one of the sunniest places on the earth. There are special microclimatic conditions and various unique ecosystems which on one hand provide for an unusually mild climate, while at the same time their untamed energy gives rise to one of the most severe kind of Siberian winds called Sarma. Another miraculous feature of Olkhon is that on one side of the island, the lake is only 400 feet deep, while on the other side resides the deepest part of the lake, and it's over 1 mile deep. That's why it's not surprising that Lake Baikal contains 20% of all the fresh water on Earth. Therefore, it is the largest freshwater lake in the world. For all these reasons, ancient Buryat and Mongol shamans, Buddhist healers, and even many modern experts argue that Olkhon is a unique source of natural herbs. It seems like there is no other place on Earth which can be compared to Olkhon for its sheer volume of native species per square mile. There is absolutely no other place in the world where you can see the virtually impossible phenomenon of Olkhon, where plant species coexist in harmony from an extremely diverse array of biomes. For example, the rarest Edelweiss flower that is normally found only at the highest altitudes in the mountains and glaciers can be seen there right beside the common chamomile or dandelion. However, these herbs are not only amazing in that they are so diverse in their variety and concentration, but they are also extremely potent as they contain an unusually high concentration of phytochemicals. Ancient healers explained this by the Olkhon Island being the crossover point of the two most powerful energy flows, one rising from the Earth's interior through the bottomless depth of Lake Baikal, and the other descending from the Sun, which almost never leaves this place. Modern scientists tend to attribute it to the unique microclimate of Olkhon. Consequently, the Olkhon herbs have really unique concentrations of various natural phytochemicals, and these very herbs, filled with the energy of Olkhon, supported by the ancient wisdom of the Tibetan and Buryat medicine, lay the foundation for our exclusive line of 8 herbal tea blends, which you can now find also in the USA. In the next video series, I'm going to talk about each of these herbal teas in details, so don't forget to join us on the Siberian Health TV.